Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this video, we're going to be talking about calcium homeostasis and why it's an example of a negative feedback loop. So first, let's review what negative feedback is. So when I think of negative feedback, I think of something that's very balancing, it's maintaining homeostasis, and it's just creating stability in the body. So a very broad explanation of what negative feedback is there's a system and there's a product in the body. And when the body notices that there is too low of this product, the system is going to increase production of the product until it reaches an optimal level. And then in that case, when it's in an optimal level, or if it's too high, it's going to send kind of a message back to the beginning of the system and say, hey, we have enough, we don't need any more. And the system is going to decrease production of that product. So that's what's happening here in this example of calcium homeostasis. So if there is decreased blood calcium, then that is going to be picked up by the parathyroid glands. It's going to be noticed by the parathyroid glands, and that is going to cause an increase in parathyroid hormone, or PTH. And PTH is going to do three things. It's going to go to the bone and cause breakdown, which is going to increase calcium. It's also going to go to the kidney, and it's going to increase calcium reabsorption. And then lastly, it's going to go to the intestines and increase calcium absorption in the intestines. So you have three different methods of increasing calcium in the body, and that in itself is going to increase the blood calcium. So let's say now that we have enough blood calcium, it's at an optimal level, or maybe it's even getting a little too high. We need a way to tell the parathyroid gland to decrease the PTH. So this increased level is actually going to go all the way back to the parathyroid gland, and it's going to tell the parathyroid gland we have enough, we don't need as much PTH anymore, and it's going to decrease the amount. And then overall, that'll decrease the amount of calcium reabsorption and absorption in the body, and then blood calcium levels will stabilize.